The TSSU-48-12 is True's 48-inch salad sandwich prep table. TSSU cabinets come in the following sizes: 27, 36, 48, 60, and 72 inch. Megatop units are available, as well as options for drawers. Made with quality metals, the TSSU-48-12 has a stainless steel front, top, and sides, with aluminum back to match. Make sure to leave adequate room for the cabinet's dimensions. It comes with an 11 3/4 inch deep full-length removable cutting board, which is made from sanitary high-density NSF approved white polyethylene. The doors to the storage area below come equipped with 12-inch recessed door handles and have a 90-degree stay-open feature for easy loading and unloading. This unit comes standard on 5-inch casters and is available with 6-inch legs at no charge. On the interior of the TSSU-48-12, you will find NSF approved white aluminum walls and stainless steel floor with easy cleaning coved corners. Another interior feature is the 4 adjustable heavy-duty PVC coated wire shelves. Each door comes with easily removable gaskets. The entire cabinet is foamed in place with zero ozone depletion potential, zero global warming potential eco-made foam. The countertop prep area comes standard with 12 1/6 size clear polycarbonate NSF approved food pans. The countertop pan opening is designed to fit varying size pan configurations up to 8 inches deep, with available pan divider bars. When the pans are not in use, they can simply be covered by the stainless steel patented foam insulated lid and hood, which keep pan temperatures colder, lock in freshness, and minimize condensation. True's patented forced air design moves air below the food pans to keep the product temperature between 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. The TSSU-48-12 has an oversized and balanced refrigeration system that ensures faster temperature recovery and shorter run times in the busiest of food service environments. Please contact your local food service equipment provider for more information. Certain features and benefits may vary by country or location. True's TSSU-48-12.